In this video, I will be showing you how to create professional book mockups in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva home screen and click on the Custom Size button to start my design. I'm going to select the 8.5 by 11-inch document size, which opens up a blank canvas in a new tab. Once the editor is ready, I'll navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. I'll scroll through the Browse categories until I find Mockups and click to see the full selection. In the search bar at the top of the Mockups panel, I'll type in Book to find the right frames. Now I can start adding them to my project. I'll click on a standard front-facing book mockup and drag the corners to resize it. Next, I'll select an angled book mockup to add some perspective, positioning and resizing it to fit the layout. I'll also bring in a thick, standing 3D book mockup and adjust its scale. To give the project a lifestyle feel, I'll add a mockup of a hand holding a book, followed by another one of a person holding the book in front of them. Finally, I'll select a video mockup to add a dynamic element to the presentation. I'll resize this frame, and as it loads, you can see how it brings the design to life with movement. And that's it. You now have a professional set of book mockups ready to showcase your work.